Going to discuss properties of line integrals. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed the reduction or transformation from complex line integral to definite integral and from transformation from complex line integral to real line integral. That will be applied here in this result. To show that, property number 1, to show that integral over L fz plus gz dz equal to integral over L fz dz plus integral over L gz dz. Let fz equal to u plus iv and gz equal to p plus iq, so that fz plus gz, this can be written as equal to v plus p plus I times v plus q. So point number 1. Then integral over L fz dz, this will be equal to integral over L u dx minus v dy plus I times integral over L v dx plus u dy. This is from transformation from complex integral to real line integral. Similarly, integral over L gz dz, this can be written as integral over L v dx minus q dy plus I integral over L q dx plus p dy. Suppose these are numbers 2 and 3. We can write 2 as in the form of definite integral, definite real integral. From this is transformation from complex line integral to real definite integral. Integral over L fz dz equal to integral from a to b phi 1 t x dash t dt minus psi 1 t y dash t dt plus integral limit from a to b psi 1 t x dash t dt plus phi 1 t not dash phi 1 t y dash t dt. We have already discussed these all transformations, where phi 1 t is equal to ux t y t psi t psi 1 t. This is psi 1 t equal to v x t y t. These are number 4 and 5. Similarly, we can write 3 this as integral over L gz dz equal to integral limit from a to b phi 2 t x dash t dt minus psi 2 t y dash t dt plus I times integral over from a to b psi 2 t x dash t dt plus phi 2 t y dash t dt. Number 6, where phi 2 t is equal to p x t y t, psi 2 t is equal to q x t y t. Number 6 and 7. Adding 4 and 6, we get integral over L fz dz plus integral over L gz dz equal to integral limit from a to b phi 1 plus phi 2 t x dash t dt minus psi 1 plus psi 2 t y dash t dt plus I times psi 1 plus psi 2 t x dash t dt plus phi 1 plus phi 2 t y dash t dt. Suppose number 8. Adding 5 and 7, we get phi 1 plus phi 2 t equal to u plus p x t y t. This can be written as simply u plus p. Similarly, psi 1 plus psi t 2 t is equal to v plus q x t y t. So it is simply v plus q. And dx will be d of x t, t is the parameter, and its differential will be x dash t dt. Similarly, dy equal to d of y t, that will be equal to y dash t dt. Using these values in 8, we get integral over L fz dz plus integral over L gz dz equal to integral over L u plus p dx minus v plus q dy plus I times v plus q dx plus u plus p dy. This follows from by transformation from definite integral to line integral, and this will be equal to integral over L u plus p plus I times v plus q dx taking dx at one place, plus I times u plus p plus I times v plus q, because this minus 1 will be plus I square. So I plus I is common. So we shall be left with u plus p plus I times v plus q dy. And this is interval L, u plus p plus I times v plus q dx plus I dy. And finally we can write it integral over L u plus p I times plus I times v plus q dx plus iy. X plus iy is z, so it is dz, and this is fz plus gz. So integral over L fz plus gz dz is equal to integral over L fz plus integral over L gz. This equal to this. This result can be generalized for a finite number of functions as integral over L f1z plus f2z and so on up to fnz dz. This will be equal to integral over L f1 dz plus integral over L f2z dz and so on plus integral over L fnz dz.